This is abacha, an amazing, delicious delicacy from southeast Nigeria. Let me show you how to make it. These are the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe: crayfish, salt, pepper, African nutmeg, onions, and abacha, and some seasoning cubes. I will also be using tilapia fish. Yeah, I'm going to just wash the fish, tap it dry with a paper towel, and then I would just make sure it's very dry, give it some incisions. So let me tell you a quick story. The last time I fried tilapia fish, I didn't give any incisions on it. I just seasoned it and fried it, and it was a mess. Yeah, it didn't come out beautifully. So I used to think that the cutting of the fish is just for decoration. No, it's not for decoration. First of all, it will let the ingredients go into the fish, and then it will also let the oil, when you're frying it, go into the fish properly. Okay, so that's what I'm just gonna do now. Give the incisions, then I'll fry the fish. So right now, we'll just add a little palm oil to the pot, heat it up for a bit, and then fry the onions for about a minute, because I still like it to be crunchy. So we'll just fry it for a minute, and then we'll be adding the other ingredients. So right now, we'll be adding the crayfish, pepper, African nutmeg, and salt. Okay. So one thing to know, when you're making fried abacha, you don't want to fry the crayfish for long. So just like 30 seconds, we're done with frying the crayfish, and then we'll be introducing the abacha into the sauce. And that's it. It's very easy to make. Very, very easy. If you don't like the conventional abacha, that's the abacha we make with our local ungu and all those stuffs, you can just do this one, and it's very, very easy, very fast, and delicious, very delicious. So at this point, you just give the abacha a quick stir for like a minute, and mind you, I soaked the abacha in warm water for just like 3 minutes before pouring it into the pot. So this abacha is looking so appetizing, and it is actually delicious. It is so delicious. So I added a little Cameroon pepper to it, because abacha that is not hot and peppery is not complete. It has to be hot. It has to be peppery. Okay, but that's just by the way. If you don't like pepper, you can make it to your taste. But this is the finished product. This is the fish. Our cute tilapia. Abacha goes well with fish, either fried fish or dried fish. It goes very well with fish. I know you can add some other ingredients to your abacha if you want, like uba, okpaka, pomo, whatever. Just make it the way that you want to make it, okay? And the fish has to be very dry, very, very dry. You can see how appetizing this one is looking. So that's just it about the recipe, and the food is ready now. Everything is set. I don't have garden eggs. In Nigeria, we eat this with garden eggs, but I don't have garden eggs. I replaced it with cucumber. And it is super delicious, super delicious. Like, seriously, if you've not eaten fried abacha before, please go and try this recipe and come back with your testimony. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching up to this time. I will see you in my next video. Bye.